learning about the central dogma of genetics in less than 1 minute. Welcome to Student Alliance. My name is Shahrukh. Now we're going to talk about the central dogma, which is very simple, which says that DNA on replication gives you mRNA. mRNA in the process of transcription gives you protein, and that is formed using translation. Now, to explain these concepts very simply, just to understand this flow, the first step is your replication, followed by your transcription, followed by your translation. And that's your central dogma in less than 1 minute. Hope that answers and makes your concepts much more clear. Thank you so much.